my new cool wallpaper. I just got Wallpaper Engine on Steam. And I'm doing this early in the morning, so if my voice sounds tired, that's why. It's cool. It tracks my time and date, and it plays music. Or when I play music, it reacts to it. So that's pretty cool. I also have new video clips folder over here. All of the videos files in this folder, or that are on my desktop at least. I have games. Oh yeah, and I have this cool game that I made. So I might have a download link for this in the comment section. I have a new Discord server that will be in the description as well. Here it is. Then it says you have to read the description. No, just full screen it. Because if you read the description, it tells you all the rules and suggestions. That shouldn't be there. Why go? It's not a suggestion. So this is where you can like suggest things for the Gorilla Tag movie and videos that I make, and like you could suggest all of these games. Pause it. You can suggest all of these games that I made, or that I play. Memes. There's already a couple memes because my friend sent me some. Flying Gorilla. Mr. B. Puffer fishes. That was scary. You feel like it's so watching me. That's my new server. It will be linked somewhere in the comments. Because if I want it in my description, I have to give them the phone number and not trustworthy. So yeah, just gonna link this in the description. And if you don't follow the rules, I can ban you on every single channel. Delete those comments as well. Yeah, there's gonna be one voice channel which can hold up to 50 people in it. So if you're interested in joining the server, the invite link is in the comments. And yeah, that's basically it.